Me spirit rise with the morning glow, calling me forth, feel let love grow. Me wander through the city lane, hear footsteps echo joy and pain. Some people searching, some people hide, but every soul drifting upon the same tide. Me whisper strength to the broken youth, tell them stand firm, walk with truth. Me see them eyes light up again, hope bloom fresh like after rain. Me pass the market, colors bright, voices mix in pure delight. Elder tell stories deep and wise, about how unity lift we to the skies. Me soak it in like sacred rhyme, words were sharpened every time. Me heart beats steady on the road, carry the weight of a peaceful load. Golden tide flow, lift we higher, warm up the world with gentle fire. Every heartbeat find its place, every soul shine with grace. Golden tide flow, never fade, turn every shadow into shade. Rise as one, let love decide. We move together on the golden tide. Me see a mother calm her child, tell him why the world feel wild. Her voice so soft, her courage tall, a reminder love outshine it all. People gather near the shore, sing them chants from long before. Old rhythm move through every ear, call the people far and near. Nightfall spread a velvet glow, stars them flicker like a show. The drums start beating steady waves, carrying memories of ancient days. Every dance step tell a tale, faith sails strong like mighty gale. Me feel the unity deep inside, flowing soft like the golden tide. Lift up your mind, lift up your soul. Together we strong, together we all. No fear can break what love create. Every heart born fi elevate. Hear the breeze, hear the beat, let the harmony make you complete. Golden tide flow, lift we higher, warm up the world with gentle fire. Every heartbeat find its place, every soul shine with grace. Golden tide flow, never fade, turn every shadow into shade. Rise as one, let love decide. We move together on the golden tide. So when the night feel cold or white, let your spirit be your guide. Hold the joy we live inside and float forever on the golden tide. Golden tide, golden tide, golden tide.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Earth feel calm in the early mist. Nature whisper like a gentle twist. Me take a breath, me take it slow. Jah melody start to flow. The hillside covered in morning dew. Fresh breeze carry a vibrant hue. Me walk the path with steady stride. No rush, no worry, just pure pride. Me see the youth, them lift them head. Shake off doubt from what was said. Me tell them focus on your dreams. Even river start as streams. A sculptor carved stone by the lane. His hands covered in dust and pain, but from the rock come shape and grace. Strength and beauty share one space. Me reason with him for a while. He teach me patience, teach me style. He say every block hide a hidden key. Carve with love and truth you'll see. Stone and breeze in harmony. Strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground. Let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and breeze in one accord. Move with life, give thanks to Lord. Hold this center, let it ease. Live like stone and flow like breeze. Me step through town, now sun get bright. Every corner full of life and light. Children paint murals on the wall. Colorize and never fall. Me feel the vibes in every stroke. Future built from word unspoken. Creativity a healing feel. Brush and drum become the shield. Evening comes soft like cotton cloth. Birds them settle, breeze blow warm. Me sit and watch this skyline glow. City heartbeat calm and slow. People gather for small delight. Share them music through the night. Harmony rise in every tone. Blend like breeze, shaping stone. Stand firm like mountain tall, but stay flexible through it all. Life a dance between strong and free. Hold the balance, let it be. Stone and breeze in harmony. Strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground. Let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and breeze in one accord. Move with life, give thanks to Lord. Hold this center, let it ease. Live like stone and flow like breeze. Oh. When trouble rise or tension freeze, remember the wisdom of stone and breeze. Stay grounded strong, but light in mind and peace will follow every time. Climb the mountain, mist and rain. Every step release me pain. The higher me go, the clearer me sight. Jah light shine bright. Birds chant hymns above the tree. Nature speak to me. Mountain of Zion stands so tall. Jah love overall. Me trod the path of faith and grace. The wind caress me face. No easy road, but Jah me trust. Me rise from dust to dust. Them tell me give up, me say no. The summit still a glow. Every struggle shape me soul. Jah make me whole. Me see the wicked build them throne, but them can't rule alone. Me see the humble grow in might, guided by the light. Me carry the banner red, gold, green, symbol of the unseen. Freedom born in humble heart, Jah masterpiece of art. Mountain of Zion, me climb high, touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion, rise in pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Me look down upon the valley deep, where many lose and weep. But from the top, me sight the dawn, new creation born. Me feel the wind whisper Jah name, set me heart aflame. No stone, no storm can shake what Jah create. Elders chant beneath the tree, said Jah set the captives free. Children play with laughter bright, pure delight. Me see the rainbow stretch so far, peace beyond the scar. On Zion mountain me stand firm, Jah lesson me learn. When me weary, Jah restore me strength once more. From trial come wisdom clear, Jah forever near. The mountain high, but Jah hand true, carry me through. Each step me take in devotion, heart full of emotion. Mountain of Zion, me climb high, touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion, rise in pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Na na, na 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 na, na na, na 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 na. Whoa. Mountain of Zion.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke with Zion, yeah, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me rise before the morning sun. Another battle soon begun. Me feel the wind upon me face. Jah guide me na this place. From the ashes of oppression grow a strength that Babylon nah know. Lion spirit waking at the heart. Freedom heart. Me see the people stand again. After centuries of pain, the fire inside can't be tamed. No more shackles, no more chains. Me chant for the poor and weak, give voice for them who can't speak. Every drum beat, every cry, echo through the sky. Me try the road, them pave with lies. Still me hold me head high. Them system cold like steel and stone, but me now walk alone. Me hear the whisper in the breeze. Rasta youth stand in peace. Truth no fade, love no die. Me lift me eyes to the sky. Fly on the wings of the lion. Strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly Fly on the wings of the lion free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Me see the wicked try divide, but unity can't hide. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the chant of Rasta Loader, the chant of Rasta Loader. Me see the youths them wise and proud, chant redemption loud. Me know Jah time soon come, the battle soon done. The battle soon done. Me look on the mountain tall, your creation call. Every leaf and every tree whisper Jah melody. Me see the river shining clear, wash away me fear. Lion roar through the land, justice in a Jah hand. No chain can bind a righteous man, no force can stop Jah plan. From darkness come the light, Rasta keep it bright. Me chant me psalm through every storm, spirit transform. Me walk with courage, faith and song, for the journey long. Fly on the wings of the lion, strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight, hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Fly on the wings of the lion, soaring high. Freedom paint the sky. No chain, no gun, no king can silence Jah within. Me rest me soul pan higher ground. Peace and truth surround. Wings of the lion carry me home to Jah eternal throne. Forever free, forever strong. Jah love live long.
Aye. Roll a spliff with kamikaze kusha, man. Yeah. The wind blows soft on the land. Jah bless the works of every hand. Drum beat echo through the street. Freedom rhythm move the feet. Me wake up with a chant in my soul. Freedom call me to the goal. Me see the youth, them rise and shine. Shoot a line, the stars combine. No chain can bind, no tongue can lie. Freedom spirit never die. Every man and woman sing. Jah power make them king. Me hear the elders tell the tale. How love and faith prevail. From the struggles to the glory. Every pain become just story. The roots so deep, the sky so wide. Jah dwell on every side. Me chant for unity, me chant for grace. Blessings flow in every place. Heartbeat of freedom strong. Carry the people along. One love, one song, one flame. Jah truth remain the same. Rise up, me people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. The youth them dancing in the rain. Healing wash away the pain. Me see the joy in every face. Peace are the only race. Every drum beat, every sound. Jah spirit circle round. From Kingston town to Addis plain. Freedom calling again. The fire burn, the heart so pure. Jah spirits ever sure. Me sing for hope, me sing for love. Blessings fall from up above. Me hold the line, me hold the light. Through the dark, through the fight. No fear, no sorrow, no despair. Jah presence everywhere. Heartbeat of freedom strong. Carry the people along. One love, one song, one flame. Jah truth remain the same. Rise up, my people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. So keep the heartbeat pure and true. Freedom live inside of you. One love forever burn, till the righteous are returned.
Na 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 na. Me hear a far off gentle sound. River whispers rolling round. Me mind drift free, me spirit sway. Ready for chant a brighter day. Me walk along the quiet bank, give thanks for blessing. Where me tank, water shimmer, silver blue, carry secret, all I knew. Me stop fi listen, touch the flow, feel a rhythm, deep below. It speak of trials, speak of win, teach how journeys must begin. A fisherman cast with patient hand, master of the tide and sun. He tell me stories about the sea, how every wave set people free. His wisdom simple, still profound, ground me thoughts with stable sound. He said take life step by step, every movement, all a depth. River of echoes speak to me, guide my soul to clarity. Flowing wide, flowing strong, teach me how to right the wrong. River of echoes, ancient tune, glow beneath the rising moon. Carry truth down every mile, wash me heart and make it smile. Me cross a bridge of timber hole, hear footsteps of stories told. The wood play cards beneath me feet, steady pulse, so soft, so sweet. Me witness youth dance by the shore, free like never before. Them turn the river into stage, calm the mind and lock the cage. Nightfall dress the world in blue, cricket start fi sing anew. Moonlight kiss the water skin, make it glow from deep within. Me feel the truth rise up again, flow through me like healing rain. The river carry giant tears, stories stack from ancient years. Listen close, the current speak, words of strength for when you're weak. Follow where your spirit go, life flow sure like river flow. River of echoes speak to me, guide me soul to clarity. Flowing wide, flowing strong, teach me how to right the wrong. River of echoes, ancient tune, glow beneath the rising moon. Carry truth down every mile, wash me heart and make it smile. So when the nights get too Smoke a spliff inna the morning, yeah man. Me rise up early, sun kiss me face. Blessed morning in a holy place. Me step barefoot on earth so green. Ganja leaf dip on the sea. Me give thanks for the breath me take, for the life and every move me make. Me brew me tea from roots and bark. Me chant a song when the roosters bark. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me plant me food, me till me land. Me hold the drum with a steady hand. Me woman bring fruits from the tree. She is natural, just like me. No fake smile, no plastic vibe. We live clean, love deep and thrive. No rush life, no clock fi bind. Me time flow in Jaja time. Me look to the hills, me see me dream. Me hear ancestors on the mountain stream. Them guide me steps when the world get loud. Them lift me spirit from beneath the cloud. Me chant them names and me keep them near. Me walk with courage, never fear. Me meditate and the vision clear. Me know who me is, me mission here. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me sit on stone beside me drum. Me heart beat like a lion come. Me light one spliff fi cleanse me mind. Me see the signs me used to blind. The children run, them laugh and play. Them carry the sun into the day. Me teach them truth, me show them peace. Me show them how love never cease. Herb is me sacrament, me meditation tool. Me burn it in a silence or by the stream pool. No violence, no hate, me chant for love. Me answer to guidance from Jah above. Me nah follow fashion or Babylon pace. Me find me reading in a Rasta grace. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truth untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Oh, morning light on Rasta face. Peace and love in a sacred space. Me praise the sun, me bless the rain. Me live for joy, not chase no gain. Rasta morning, light and clear. Rasta morning, Jah is near.
and sweet car by me side, yeah man. Me sit beside the river bank, give Jah thanks, me soul give thanks. Water whisper holy sound, peace and healing all around. Me see the stream move slow and wise, mirror the truth inside me eyes. Every ripple, every flow, carry message Jah bestow. Me drop me fears, me wash me pain. Jah river cleanse again, from the mountain top it fall. Blessing flow for one and all, me chant for life, me chant for peace. Righteousness never cease, the river teach me how to be calm and full of melody. It show me how the time will heal, and how the truth reveal. River of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong one. Love one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. Me see the children play and sing, Jah creation everything. Me feel the breeze, me feel the grace, peace and joy in every place. Me know the river never end, it flow round every bend. Elders smile and youth rejoice, nature sing in one voice. No fear, no hate, no greed, just Jah fulfilling need. Every soul become the tide, flow together side by side. Me flow with Jah, me never tire, His word me heart's desire. No joy can stop the stream, love forever dream. River of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong one. Love one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. So when the days feel dry and long, remember the river song. It flow within, it flow without. Jah love remove all doubt.
Lift your eyes to the midnight sky. Stars above the nation testify. Silent witness shining bright. Guide the people through the night. Not of gold, not of throne, but the heavens we call home. Constellations mark the way. Stars declare a brighter day. Every twinkle tell the tale. Truth of Zion will prevail. Ancient sail across the sea. Stars deliver destiny. Now the people wonder still. Stars align for Jah will. Every journey, every dream. Stars above the nation gleam. Hope reflected, truth revealed. Broken spirit gently healed. Moon and planet shine in line. Signal now the holy time. Babylon shadow lose its claim. Stars eternal still remain. From the desert to the shore, nation rise forevermore. Every twinkle, every light, promise shine against the night. Sky proclaim what must be done. Stars unite the hearts as one. Message bright in every zone. Heaven write the truth in stone. stars of Zion still remain.
Ay, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Built on stone of ancient days, temple standing holy ways. Every pillar strong with prayer, every wall just spirit bear. No hand of man but hand of God. Temple rise where prophet trod, from earth below to heaven high. Temple reach the endless sky. Temple of Zion, pure and strong. Keep the faithful all life long. House of prayer, house of peace. Bless the world and make war cease. It hold the chant of drum and song, echo righteous all day long. It shine the truth, it guard the flame. Temple stand in Jah true name. No thief, no liar pass the door. Temple keep the spirit sure. Every stone a sacred word, every sound the prophet heard. It welcome poor, it welcome meek. It bless the humble heart them seek. It heal the sick, it feed the weak. Temple holy, pure and meek. From mountainside to valley low, temple light forever glow. It stand eternal, stand divine. Temple built with Jah design. Me kneel within the holy hall, hear the voice that guide us all. It says stand firm, don't lose your way. Temple bless you night and day. It lift me soul, it calm me mind. Temple show what love to find. Every heart can hear belong. Temple echo holy song. When the morning start to rise, temple glow beneath the skies. It stand forever, never fall. House of Jah command it all. From first chant to final day, temple show the righteous way. Home of spirit, home of flame. Temple blessed in Jah true name. Stand firm, stand tall. Temple of Jah above it all. No hand of hate can break the stone. Temple of Zion keep Jah throne. Temple of Zion, pure and strong. Keep the faithful all life long. House of prayer, house of peace. Bless the world and make war cease. From dawn to dusk, from now to then, temple guide the soul again.
peace for the world.
Me hear the cry from deep within. Jah call the people fi begin. No silence now, no fear. Truth and freedom draw near. Hey. Me walk the street with me head high. Jah power never lie. Every sound from drum and bass carry the voice of the human race. Them try fi hush, them try fi hide, but truth stand by my side. Me chant for justice, me chant for right. Jah light forever bright. Me hear the mothers, hear the youth, all them sing one truth. Me see the fire in the eyes. Jah promise never dies. From the valley to the sea, voice of people set we free. No chain, no wall, no gate can hold back the faith. Yeah. Voice of the people strong, sing the freedom song. One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man time. Yeah. Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky. Chanter sound so proud. Every beat a revolution call. Every soul stand tall. Me chant for peace, me chant for love. Blessings fall from above. Me say the nation start to rise. Hope shining in them eyes. Together strong, together true. Jah work for me and you. Me hear the spirit deep inside. Jah voice me only guide. No more chains, no more pain. Freedom come again. Yeah. Voice of the people strong. Sing the freedom song. One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame. Yeah. Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky. So let the voice forever ring. Peace and love we bring. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong.
Night air cool on my skin tonight. Night air cool on my skin tonight. Lanterns glow with gentle light. My heart feel open, mind feel clear. Calling blessings far and near. Me stroll through streets soft lit and warm. Shadow shape a quiet form. People move with easy grace. Joy reflecting every face. Me hear two elders reason deep. Both promises we need to keep. Them words like fire in the coal. Wisdom never growing old. A young musician play his tune. Soft like silver, bright like moon. He sing of dreams he want to chase. Spread his voice all over the place. Me stop feel listen, feel the spark. Me tell him continue, never fear. Your song soon travel far and near. Lanterns in the distance shine, guide the weary, pure divine. Lead with you the darkest hour, fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one, glow like hope before the sun. Keep the spirit warm and bright, carry courage through the night. Me wander toward the hillside slope, find a group chanting songs of hope. Harmony float like sacred breeze, flow through branches, touch the trees. Me join them with a humble tone, feel vibration in every bone. Connection deep, connection real, a unity nothing can steal. Down the valley, voices spread, people lift them weary head. Lanterns drifting toward the sky, send up prayers high and high. Me stand and watch the colors rise, blend with stars before me eyes. Every glow a humble sign, that darkness fade when hearts align. Light the mind, light the way, even small sparks chase gray. Every soul all ember bright, share it freely through the night. Lanterns in the distance shine, guide the weary, pure divine. Lead with through the darkest hour, fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one, glow like hope before the sun. Keep the spirit warm and bright, carry courage through the night. So keep your lantern held up high, let it burn against the sky. Wherever trouble try to roam, your inner light will lead you home. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Ay, ay, ay. Ganja and Zion Ragaya man.
Me wake up to the ancient beat, drum talk under me feet, wine whisper through the trees, carry Jah message pon the breeze. From Africa to Caribbean shore, me spirit open more and more. The call of the drum never fade, it echo through what Jah made. Me hear the elders chant them song, say Rasta youth stand strong. Them rhythm pure, them message wise, reach the heart open eyes. Them teach me how to live upright, how to walk in Jah light. Every beat a prayer divine, connecting soul and time. Me see the world in confusion still, them chase vanity, goal and thrill. But the drum remind me of me root, the melody of truth absolute. Me see the youth, them lose them way, me chant fi bring them back today. Cause music heal what pain divide, and love not hide. Call of the drum, rise and play, guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace, let the wickedness cease. Call of the drum, pure vibration, unite every nation. Sound of freedom, echo strong, Rasta keep it long. Me close my eyes and me travel far, beyond the moon, beyond the star. Me hear the ancestors whisper clear, keep the drum, keep Jah near.
street, drum beat under me feet. Children dance, women sing, hope in everything. The world may shake but sound stay pure. The drum keep we secure, long as the heartbeat still strong. We sing Jah song, me no fear no system chain. Music heal me pain, from Shashaman to Kingston town. Drum never let we down, every strike a spark of light, burn through the darkest night. Jah rhythm guide me home, never alone. Call of the drum, rise and play, guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace, let the wickedness cease. Call of the drum, pure vibration, unite every nation. Sound of freedom, echo strong, Rasta keep it long.
High level reggae, yeah, man. Blaze upon the mountain peak, flames of Zion rise and speak. Not of terror, not of war, but the fire of truth we adore. Vision bright, heart ignite, every spirit bathed in light. Ancient prophets whisper still, Zion fire reveals Jah will. Echo roll across the plain, wash away the guilt and pain. Iron chain they melt away, Babylon fortress start decay. No machine, no weapon strong can withstand Jah holy song. Climb the mountain, see the flame.
yeah man. The soil soft under me feet. Me walk where love and nature meet. Me plant me dreams, me plant me care. Urban hope in the same air. Me no deal with concrete scheme. Me live in the natural dream. Each leaf a part of Jah reply. Zion grow when spirit high. Zion grow in a we, like tree roots deep and free. From earth to earth the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifest in air. Me teach the youth fi till the land, fi feel Jah works in a them hand. The seed them plant, them future build. With every crop a life fulfilled. Me garden green, me mind at rest. Me know say Jah provide the best. Me see creation live and move. In every leaf the truth improve. Zion grow in a way, like tree roots deep and free. From earth to earth the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifest in here. Meditation deep like rain in spring. Roots vibration make me sing. Me chanting I feel, me reason pure. Love and healing are Jah cure. No wickedness in our yard, only truth and works of God. Zion afar it start in a soul and grow in a way like stories told. Me see the hills wear crown of green like the promise Jah always mean. Me feel the rhythm in every breeze. Zion speak through birds and trees. Me share me harvest, me share me word. No gates, no wall, just love preferred. Zion grow when we overstand that Jah reside in every land. Zion grow in a way, like tree roots deep and free. From earth to earth the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifest in here. Yes, Zion grow in a way, for all who chant and plant faithfully.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion is the reggae king, yeah man.
Open wide the holy door, gates of Zion evermore. Call the faithful, call the meek, bless the strong and lift the weak. No God of hate, no wall of pain, only love can here remain. Every nation, every creed, find in Zion what them need. Gates of Zion open wide, let the people come inside. Flow with mercy, flow with grace. Welcome to Jah holy place. It shine with pearl, it shine with flame. Every gate a holy name. It call the children home to stay. Guide the tribe along the way. No sword, no chain can bar the road. Gates of Zion is the Lord. Every step a chant of peace. Every turn a sweet release. It open wide both night and day. Never close, no man can say. It guard the path, it guard the song. Keep the people moving strong. It echo sound of drum and lyre, burning bright with holy fire. Every gate a blessing new. nature, man. Me rise up early when the sun just kiss. Barefoot pan sand, no place me miss. Coconut tree stretch to the sky. Me sit underneath and me reason why. No need for riches or flashy show. Me treasure the moment, let blessings flow. Me have me ganja, me have me drum. Me have Jah love, me kingdom come. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Babylon call, but me nah pick up. Me sipping coconut from nature cup. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Them want power, me want release. Me woman dancing in the breeze. She wear no makeup, just natural ease. We sing a song of ancient tone. Rasta family, we not alone. Me hear the ocean talk to me soul. Say youth man, stay firm and whole. Me look to the sky, me give thanks for life. Through all the struggle and all the strife. Me no stress about the news them bring. Me build strength while the bird them sing. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Children laughing, I had pure joy. No war, no hate, no ply. Me teach them true reggae style. With love and rhythm, we reconcile. Me play me guitar with humble hands. Chant a melody, fi heal the lands. Me nah judge skin or creed. Me only follow Jah word and deed. Me take a walk when the moon is high. Stars guide me like prophecy sky. Me see me ancestors in the flame. Them whisper songs, them call me name. Them said chant for justice, chant for love. Chant the truth from up above. Me nah follow trend or hype. Me follow Rasta, me trod it right. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Meditation deeper than ocean. Vibration real, no illusion. From coconut tree to secret drum. Rasta youth know where we from. No Babylon distraction can break we soul. Zion echoes forever.
Jah bless the land and the people, your man. Deep within the sacred ground, garden of eternal roots is found. Branches reach, leaves unfold, stories ancient, truths untold. Not by riches, not by might.
of grace. Feed the people here.